Halifax is changing and people are noticing.
Canadians and people from all over the world are looking to move here.
However, these waves of growth have put strains on the city's housing and transit systems.
The tide continues to rise, and not everyone can stay afloat. We need solutions that raise everybody up.
We are trying to make this year the best shift ever, so join us at Elderly Landing on March 10th for Shift 2023, Raising All Votes.
Here, we'll come together as a community to discuss and elaborate ways to address the city's housing and transit systems. See you there!